Shalom, shalom, Hashem babes. We love you so much. And again, no matter where we go, it's always a special moment. Here we are, still looking 8 months later for a couch. However, we enjoy this beautiful time together, and we appreciate you guys for being calm, cool, and collected. And we love you. Shalom.
Shalom, family. This is Abba Yochanan. I love y'all. I miss y'all. Just want to let y'all know that to continue to stay strong and faithful, whatever you believe. Stay happy. Stay confident. Continue to love one another. That's the way of life. Always be happy so your body can always be happy. Rebuke anything that tries to make you down. You guys are the children of the light, children of love, and we are here to shine for one another. You guys are beautiful and wonderful. Ima and I love you all so much. Shalom.